Hello guys and welcome to a new video, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make your player move while the player's moving for the camera to follow it around. So now we've made this basic one. I mentioned this in the previous video, so you can go down in the description and search for it. This is a basic one with only a ball moves around like your player. And if you want to, for example, make a platformer that you want to follow the player, like the camera following, if you go front, the camera goes front with it. And that's what we're going to do today. So let's get started. First, we're going to make a C# script for, let's name it camera controller. And in this script, we're going to be writing down the position and the transform of the position so we can smoothly move the camera with the player. So this is the player controller. It will be in the description the video. And here we'll first start adding some floats. Public transform first, which is we're gonna call target, and next we'll add a public float, which is gonna be the camera speed, which is gonna be, let's say 15, sorry. Okay, then another public float for the Z offset, so like when it moves around, which is going to be equal to 22, and a public bool, which is going to be smooth follow, so you can enable it and disable it. We're going to set it to true for now. Okay, we're done with our objects which we want to add the float and the transform and the booleans, and we'll go into the update. We do not need the start, so you might as well just let's erase that so it can be more seen. Okay, in here you have to write if target, so if our target is true, then it will get vector3. So like if we do have the target, the vector3 of our new position will be equal to transform.position, so the place that we move to it, transform.position, and the new position of x, so the new position that was going to be on the x-axis, is going to be equal to target dot position dot x, and same for the z, so new position dot z is equal to target dot position dot z, and we're gonna minus it to the z offset, so it can follow the camera smoothly to the z offset as well as the other axis. Okay, so we're done with this, but let me just make this capital. So okay, and next we'll write if the smooth is not on, like the smooth follow, so exclamation mark smooth follow is not true, then transform dot position will be equal to our new position. And next we'll write the else, so if it is, the smooth follow is on, transform dot position is equal to vector 3 dot lerp, which is gonna be the transform dot position. Then the next will be the new position we set for the y, and for the z we'll have our camera speed that we made times time dot delta time. So this is basically it. You're gonna let it compile up, and in here you'll add the script to the main camera, so camera controller, and things should pop up here. Okay, and play. We seem to, oh, we forgot semicolon at the end. Time dot delta time, we forgot the bracket. Okay, Now the things should pop up down here, the booleans and the floats and those stuff. And let finish compile, it takes a bit of time. Okay, now you see our target will be of course the player, so move your player into here and we'll have smooth follow on. So let's start the game. And the game is started. You see, you move the player, the camera moves with you. You see up here, when you move up, it gets up, down, it gets down. So the camera just basically moves on with you. And that's basically it. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're new, smash that subscribe button for me. And thank you for watching this video.